Polite ways to say thank you. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a million. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. I can't thank you enough. I truly appreciate your help. Thank you for your kind words. Your positivity is contagious. I'm thankful for your support. I'm thankful for your support. I'm grateful for your support. Thanks a million for your help. Your encouragement is uplifting. Thank you for being so reliable. Your generosity knows no bounds. Thanks a ton for your assistance. Your kindness will be remembered. I appreciate your thoughtfulness. Thanks for being so understanding. I'm grateful for what you've done. I can't express how thankful I am. I'm indebted to you for your help. Your support has meant a lot to me. Your thoughtfulness has made my day. Thank you so much for your kindness. Thank you so much for your kindness. I'm so lucky to have you by my side. I'm thankful for your encouragement. Your generosity is truly remarkable. Your kindness has made a difference. Your kindness has made a difference. Thank you for going above and beyond. I appreciate your thoughtful gesture. It was so kind of you to lend a hand. I'm thankful for your time and effort. Your generosity is truly heartwarming. Your thoughtfulness is greatly valued. I feel blessed to have you in my life. I'm sincerely grateful for everything. Your generosity is greatly appreciated. I can't thank you enough for your help. Your generosity has not gone unnoticed. I'm truly touched by your consideration. Your thoughtfulness didn't go unnoticed. Your kindness is a gift I will treasure. I'm truly blessed to have you in my life. Your kindness is a gift I will treasure. I'm truly blessed to have you in my life. Thanks for being such a wonderful friend. Thanks for being there when I needed you. Your assistance means a great deal to me. Thanks for making a difference in my day. Thanks for making a difference in my day. I'm so fortunate to have you as a friend. Your help has made a world of difference. I feel so fortunate to have your support. I'm so fortunate to have your assistance. I'm so appreciative of your understanding. I'm so appreciative of your understanding. I'm grateful for your presence in my life. I'm grateful for your unwavering kindness. Your support has been a source of strength. I want you to know how much I appreciate you. I'm lucky to have someone as thoughtful as you. I'm appreciative of your time and consideration. Your thoughtfulness has made a lasting impression. You've been incredibly supportive, and I'm thankful. I want you to know how much your support means to me.